I work in oil on canvas and paint light, water, and wind. I begin by photographing from the point of view of a bird flying over the water, below the horizon line. I notice large areas of color and where the colors change. I start to have a feeling for the form, the overall heaving of the water, how the waves are shaped. Artists have long known that we are an intimate part of the hydrological cycle. When I was working on a painting of Pacific Northwest water called Fjord 2, the digital camera with its faster shutter speeds exposed forms that may have inspired those found in Haida art. It appears that traditional artists with close observation could see those forms. What painting explores beyond the photograph is the sense of time that comes from relating to the artist's process. We can follow the history of the brushstrokes, which creates a kinesthetic sensation. Painting is a way of thinking and acting that relies on relationships between mind, body, paint, line, color, mass, form, and shape, and this determines the look of all my work. There is a connection with an embodied energy that can be felt with a brush in one's hand, and one of the many reasons I put my faith in painting. Intuition leads to color choices usually different than in the photograph, warm rather than cold, muted rather than bright. I work with hog's hair brushes to begin and finish with spine or bristles. My palette is limited, 2 each of the primary colors, 1 warm and 1 cool, and an earth color or 2 to make colored grays. Water is a very abstract subject, and when you stand close to the surface, the canvas breaks apart into non-identifiable brushstrokes and patches of paint. You must stand back from the painting to see that it is water. I listen to music while I work and dance between mind, body, and materials in a non-verbal experience. As every painter knows, the painting has its own will, and you find you are not the leader in this dance. I keep my breathing deep and my body relaxed so that a rhythm can work through me. I am left-handed, but working with both hands short-circuits the judgmental part of my brain and leads me to trust my own vision. When the painting moves, I stop.